Do you ever support candidates, get involved openly?
I have, yeah. I was talking the other night about and I'd be curious to know who your two favorites are. We were discussing the two favorite presidents of my lifetime. And
well, I do it from an interviewing standpoint.
Yeah, because you've probably talked to most of them.
7.
Okay, so Clinton, okay.
And from a fascinating standpoint, Nixon, because he was...
I portrayed Nixon, you know.
That's right.
That's right, I did. I had to shake my jowls around.
He was so bright.
Interesting.
And so hung up on, he was really
conflicted.
Conflicted. Who are your two?
My two, I was a little guy when this guy was president, but Ike Eisenhower, because he was a military man, a general, but he understood and respected what war means.
Beware the military-industrial complex.
Yeah, he did. He was, because he was a peacemaker, really, a peaceman, and he had peace all through his presidency.
Who was your other one?
And Obama.
I like Obama a lot.
Yeah, I think he's masterful. I mean,
He's finishing great, isn't he?
Yes, he is. And I think it's going to take, wait till the smoke clears after he's done and everyone looks back on him and see what he did.
Hey guys, Larry here. Thanks for watching me. Be sure to check out some of my other favorite Larry King Now moments right here and tune in to new episodes Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on demand on Ora TV and Hulu.